What is up, you guys? It's Asian Tactical here at the range of Shyacton's gun range. I'm just gonna be doing some testing of some new builds I've did. Let me show you quickly. Decided to do an AR pistol, but without the brace. So this is what it is. Basically, Anderson lower. Kind of did the a crappy door coat myself. You know, something, it's a pencil length barrel from Faxon. It's a mid length. Kind of modified the front post here just to be able to fit it on correctly. But nothing too fancy. You got the oil slick bolt carrier. Something I wanted to try out. So what I'm gonna be doing is using the, you know what? My mag's on the other one. Let me go get it quickly. All right, back. Again, I'm gonna be using the steel case wolf ammo stuff, something super cheap. I'm gonna be doing the one round, see, make sure that everything works good, locks back, and everything. I'm not going to be doing any actually testing or sighting in, just function testing. After this, I do have, put that there, a 14.7 inch barrel, so M4-ish type deal. Again, it's just dimpled, no carrier in here. It's just, so I'll be swapping the BCG into this one. It's not pin welded yet. That's why I'm going to be testing it on a pistol lower. So let's see if it locks back. First shots. Lock back. Great. Now 29 rounds. This is moving. Whoop. Should have Loctited this one. All right. So, running pretty good. I'm going to be switching up to the upper now. Oh wait, switching the upper to the M forgery. And yeah, it's pretty cool out here right now. It's about 10 degrees, according to the car. My hands are pretty cold, so I'm going to try to do this quickly. Get in there. It's a little tight. That's fine. All right. Fingers are getting really cold. And my open cut is starting to bleed. Alright. First shots again. Lock back. Ah, last round 2. Excellent. Alright, here I am with the SR9C. I'm gonna test it out, see whether or not it works. I got 2 10-round mags and 1 17-round mag. Can shoot all that, and I'm gonna try some Hornady defense, because this is what I'm gonna plan on using as far as concealed carry ammo goes. So hopefully I'll be running 5 of those, and hopefully it runs. All right. Uh-oh. Not looking good. Looks like light strikes. Try that again. That one ran fine. You know what? I've got some Federal. Might as well use it. I'll cut time just so I don't bore you guys from seeing me load. All right. Done. Let's go see. Is that 10? That's weird. Figuring out a reset. Alright, let's try this again. Six. No horror of these. A little bit of a hiccup here and there, but I don't know, it's kind of weird stuff.